I'm Sherry Kropp with the City of Fayetteville, and in this city update, we are at the Fayetteville Regional Airport. I have with me today Allison Rogers, and she's going to give us some updates about the renovation project that's going on here at the airport. Allison, so what type of progress have we made since the last time we were here? I know when we were here last, they were just starting the construction of the new concourse and the rotunda area.
Yes, so you can see we are close to finished product here. We've got all our walls are up, we've got our windows in finally, and we've got our flooring down. This is our terrazzo flooring.
It's beautiful.
Down here in the rotunda. So now we're just really working on finishing touches, drywall, paint. We've still got to put our chairs in the waiting area. And then our restaurant is still working on completion. Mm-hmm. We're currently working on kitchen design now, so we're expecting a date of around March before we see the restaurant open. But when it does, it's going to have a full menu and bar to service our travelers coming through our new concourse.
All right, and this has not interrupted any flight delays or anything like that, so everything's been running as normal while all of the construction's been going on in the background. Now I know when we were here last, we had a target date of July. We were hoping everything would be completed by the time people were going on vacation or whatever. There was a slight delay, as there is in any major renovation project. So what is the target date now that we think everything is going to be complete?
We are looking at around end of September, beginning of October for our new open date. So that gives us enough time to do our finishing touches, get our seating in here, do our cleaning, and then have our inspections done. So we're very excited. We're almost there.
Yeah, well, it looks great. I think people are really going to be impressed to see the new concourse, and the rotunda here is just beautiful. It really is. So if people want to get more information about the project updates, where can they get that information at?
Follow us on our Facebook or our Twitter pages. We do regular construction updates on both of those feeds. And then we also have a new website coming out in a few weeks. So we'll have our very own project page on there where you can follow and get information on what's going on at the airport.
Okay, thank you so much for that information.
Thanks.
And thank you for watching this City Update. We'll see you next time.